Our studies came to an end, but we felt that going on a trip full of new experiences would expand our horizons. The decision to study abroad in another country with foreign people and a foreign culture would be the perfect possibility for us. I mean, if you can do it today, why should you do it tomorrow? And there we were, Budapest, the city which will be our home for the next 6 months. This city has so many facets. Contrasts between beautiful antiquity and impressive modernism are everywhere. Budapest offers a home for all different kinds of people. Especially during our exchange, we had the chance to meet incredible and open-minded people from all over the world. It often feels like the place to be. It just has its own unique flair. But when the city changes its face, it offers a completely new perspective. Our journey started with fear. Fear of having made a bad decision and going to Budapest. Fear of not getting along. Fear of being lost in a foreign country. But all those fears were crushed immediately. We fastly fell in love with the city, and the first superficial friendships started bonding to a degree we never thought could be possible. Thank you, Budapest. Thank you for giving us something forever.
life, and I could never forget you, and I fucking love
You only appreciate how enriching this chapter in life was until the best experience of a lifetime has come to an end. But this is just the beginning.